Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Roblox and unknown error has occurred while logging. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, while trying to log in the Roblox, you are facing the error unknown error has occurred while login. Then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings. In left side you will find network and internet, click on that. Here you have to just disable your Wi-Fi and connect it through your mobile hotspot. Just turn this option on, then enable your mobile hotspot, then connect it. After connecting, hope your issue will be resolved. After that still it is not working, then what you have to do, you have to just download VPN. I will recommend you to download Proton VPN or Urban VPN because these both VPNs are free. You can download, install and relaunch your login page. After relaunching your login page, hope your issue will be resolved. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, or if you are directly connecting through your Wi-Fi router, then what you have to do, you have to just restart your Wi-Fi router. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox and unknown error has occurred while login. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.